Simple video on how to fix your keycaps on your G910 keyboard and probably other keyboards as well. So what happens is those keycaps sort of break off while they're installed, and as you see, the left and right pins are broken, and they're broken inside here, and you can actually see there's one left on the left side. And it's pretty hard to pull them out, so I had to come up with one way of doing that. And if you're also looking for that technique, here I am showing you how to do that. First off, you need a small needle. You want to poke it into the side of the pin that you can still see from here and push it down as much as you can. Once it's down, you want to bend it toward the edge so that you tend to pull the pin up. Now, it doesn't work all the times, but if you try enough times, it will. And hopefully on my third try that works. Just pull it down like that, and it should raise high enough for you to get it out. Not sure it actually worked as intended, but I felt it moving, so it's reassuring. Pretty hard to do it one-handed. Alright, there we go. I had to apply a little bit more force, but there we go, it came out. Now it's clear. And I don't know where it went, but here it is, how you do it. You might need a bigger needle than the one I used originally because it bent in the plastic, and I used this one and it worked just fine. So I hope that was helpful, and see you next time.